This is Gloria from ACNTRUCK Enterprise Limited. Today I'm in Shanghai LONKING Festival and I will introduce you some LONKING forklifts. Let's go! Now here behind us is LONKING 7-ton diesel forklift LG70DT with ISUZU engine. Its rated capacity is 7 tons and the max lifting height is 3 meters. Also, if you want the other side lifting height, we can also provide other side mast from 2 meters to 6 meters. Except the standard 2-stage mast, we can also provide 2-stage free mast and 3-stage free mast. The fork length is 1,220 millimeters, and it is recommended to choose a side shift, which is useful for drivers to move the fork left and right. The tire type is pneumatic tires, and we can also provide solid tire for choose. The overhead guard adopts a stamping structure, which makes it safer and stronger for the driver. And it equipped with wide field of view mast to improve driver's field of view. You can add a closed cabin and air conditioner if you need. Above all is the oil content today. LONKING forklifts has full energy consumption and easy maintenance. If you have other machine requirements, please contact me at any time. Thanks for listening. Bye.